Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I am Vanessa, and today I want to show you a project that I've been working on, and I do have a tutorial for it. I'll put it down in the description box. It'll send you to my website where you can order the tutorial so you can learn how to make either a mini album or a binder album, okay? And I'm calling this simply Amazing Mini Album. And I did use the Life in Bloom by Simple Stories. Beautiful collection. I even have enough left that I can do another project with it. I don't know. I might decorate it with this. I had planned on using the love notes to decorate this. I don't know. I have enough left that I don't know yet. But anyway, whenever I get this all decorated, I will do a final review on it as well. The pages are the same in both albums. I'm just set up just a little bit differently, okay? So it measures 7.5 by 9. And again, the brown wrapping paper. I featured it in this album as well. You guys should know me. I've been using it a lot here lately. I just love the look of it. I'll put the description in the description box to where you can go purchase it. It is my Amazon link, and you don't pay no more for the product, but it just helps support my channel, and I do earn a small commission. All right. So there's the front of it. There's the side of it. And the spine is 1.75 inches. Beautiful paper. Beautiful. So you open it up, and right off the get-go, you have a waterfall. Oops. And then you have a pocket here. Okay. So the mini album, we build the pages and decorate them, and then we attach it to the base pages. Okay. And I used the brown gift wrap paper, again, torn with my tearing tools, and I'll link those down below too if you want to go to Amazon and pick them up. Again, you don't pay no more for the product. You can order whatever you want. I do earn a small commission, okay? So then this side flips open. And then that flips open. This is one of those big pieces of paper that, sometimes we just don't know what to do with it. So I cut it up and done it like this. And I loved how it turned out. Now, you have, and I got to glue these, but you do have this open here to where you could stick some photo mats. I will be gluing mine shut, okay? So here you have a belly band. And then you have another belly band. So it's a double belly band. The backs are just plain. Okay, that just fits under that one. And then it fits underneath this one. Beautiful. This paper is amazing. So then this flips open. And here you have another waterfall. And I just used scraps from the collection for that up there. Beautiful. I just, and that. And then here, oops, it's supposed to be like that. So then this flips open. And then this flips open, and you do have a little tuck spot here, or you could just put a photo right here. And then these flip open. And I did use 28-pound copy paper for my photo mats just to keep the bulk down, okay? I've been doing that a lot here lately. Because I use these as permanent, because when you go to put your picture down, then you've got a white, it's, double matted. And I really like that, okay? So my photo mats are all permanent. You just put a picture on, okay? And then this is the inside the back cover, and this is going to be hard to keep on camera. So both these open up. And then we got this and this. This opens up and this opens up. So what a beautiful spread. And this is on the inside of the back cover. I can't say enough about this paper. It is just amazing. And then these flip in. Again, the 28-pound copy paper. Instead of putting our heavy 60-pound weight cardstock, why not use 28-pound paper? That way, the album doesn't get as bulky when we use the 28. Because I don't remove mine. I like to have the border with mine. Okay, and this here is a little, the photograph can slide underneath here. So this is my Simply Amazing album. It's easy and quick to put together. You don't have to do the gift wrap. You do have the binder portion of it, and these are my photo mats. I'm using cream. I do show you how to put it inside the binder. The pages are all the same as what you see here in the mini album. You just set them up however you want. And then you have a pocket. So what I've done, let's see, one of them has, so you could do the back sides. Here, let me move this out of here. Let's just pretend. And this is a Simple Stories binder. It's one of their limited ones. It does have a big, this one has a 2.5-inch spine, so it's bigger than a lot of the other binders. One of these has a booklet. Here it is. So what I've done, what I'm going to do in this one here is these will flip, but in the pocket pages, we'll have this booklet that is a pull-out. It will be on the back side. So you'll flip through the pages, like this, and then you'll have this to pull out. You can, put a pocket on here. You can do a belly band on here. You could just decorate it with your photographs, however you want. But yeah, the page styles are the same in both albums. I just gave you an option to do it as a ring binder because I know a lot of people do not like doing the hinges. Okay, so I wanted to give you another option. But as soon as I get this decorated, I will come back and get the final review done for this. But this ring binder is going to be just like a mini album, but it's inside a ring binder. Okay. So that is my Simply Amazing tutorial. You can purchase it. Like I said, it'll be down in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about it. And hey, we'll be talking to you guys later. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.